In this video, I'll show you how you can buy skins and chromas for blue essence in League of Legends. Now sometimes Riot Games will do something called Imperium events. So if I head over to the store right now, you'll see that there's an Imperium bottom. Now this comes and goes, so sometimes it's not here and sometimes they'll bring it back. But when it is here, you're gonna click on it, and in here you can choose skins. And as you can see, there's a skin I can buy for my blue essence. And also, if I go to Chromas, you'll be able to see that there are so many different chromas that I can buy with the blue essence. So you can just choose skin owned and champion owned, and these are the skins that you'll be able, or the chromas I mean, that you'll be able to use right now because you already own the skin to it. So that's basically how it works. Now I don't know when to check when this comes back, but as of this date it's right here, and it's been here like already 20 times so far. So just wait if it's not there and it will come back at some point. And then you'll be able to see that there's many different. So I can just find one I like, let's say this one, and you'll be able to see that I can buy it for my blue essence. There we go. Just keep in mind, most of these are just gonna be chromas, and very rarely there will be one or two skins that you also can buy with the blue essence. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.